Every South African woman desires a night cream that works really hard, unwinding the signs of time while she's getting some well-deserved rest. After the age of 30, the functionality of the dermal-epidermal junction changes, giving away your age. This process accelerates when adding external factors like UV exposure, dehydration, and neglect. Jeunesse Premium skincare really focuses on this aspect to reconnect the junction between the deeper layers in the skin, providing you with firmer, tighter, younger-looking skin. The benefits of night repair reaches far beyond a 1-minute video like this. Please follow me on Facebook and YouTube or contact me directly for orders. Postage can be arranged all over South Africa.